Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create an OKX account using either the OKX app or the OKX website. But for the sake of today's tutorial, we are going to be using the OKX app. And I would like to mention that the video is specially dedicated to the PepsiCo family. And if you find value in the video, click the subscribe button, share the video, like it, and make sure that you keep the video moving. Without wasting my time, let's get started. Now, the first thing you will probably need to do is to go to your Google Play Store and search for the OKX app. And as you can see, I've already done my own installation, and so there won't be the need for me to go through all of that. So if you have installed the app, the next thing you're going to do is to open the app and then give it some few seconds for it to load up. Now, once the app is open, you will have two options. Once you click sign up button here, you will have two options to create your account. You can use your phone number or you can use your email address. And for the sake of today's video, we are going to be using the email address method. And so you type in the email address that you wish to use to create the account. And once you have typed in your email address, you can also enter the referral code. That is optional, so we won't be dealing with that now. You click on the sign up button again. Now once you click on the sign up button, you'll be asked to rearrange these images in their right order, and as you can see at the top corner, the images have already been shown, and you are only supposed to arrange them in the order in which they have been positioned. And once that is done, we're good to go. Now here you'll be sent a confirmation code through the email address that you used from the beginning of the video, and all you have to do is to copy the 6-digit code and paste them right here. So if you have a pen, you quickly go to your Gmail account and then have a look at the code that has been sent to you, and then you write it down or you note it. And here we have 218858, 218858, 218858. So we go back to 218858. Then we click next, and here we are going to choose our country. That will automatically be loaded depending on your location, and so we click next. Then we say we should make sure that the region or country matches the one on the ID. So you have to make sure that if you're a Ghanaian, the country you select is the same as the nationality you have on your ID, because you are going to be needing that to confirm your account. And here is the most important part. You have to enter a password. This is one of the login credentials. Aside your Gmail, which you'll be using to log in, you will also need your login password. The login password has to meet a certain standard. So you have to make sure that they are 8 to 32 characters long, one lowercase character, one uppercase character, one number, one symbol. So we are going to follow that procedure. Now we can see that all is properly ticked, so we click next. At this point, you can either choose to use your fingerprints as a mode of unlocking, so that you won't have to be entering the password every time. Since we are dealing with the tutorial in the video, we click skip for now. And you see that at the stage 1, we have completed the creation of the account. Step 2 is for us to verify the account. Now this is where you will have to be extra careful, because if you don't put in the right documents, the system will not accept it. So once you click on verify now, you are actually going to be asked to upload the first thing is your country of residence, so we choose Ghana. That is already locked in. Type of ID, you can choose your driver's license, which is recommended, your national ID card, or your passport. For the sake of our tutorial, we use the passport, the national ID card, and then we click next. And here you'll be expected to take a photo of the national ID, or you enter the information manually. But it is recommended to always use the option 1, where you take picture of the ID, and then we click next. So at this point, your camera is going to be used to capture. So if you have your ID card, you quickly place it at the back, like where my hands are. Let me show you a typical example. You understand what I'm talking about? Just a minute. Okay, so let's say, for example, this is the kind of ID I wanted to use, though this is not a valid ID. So if this is the ID I wish to use, I could simply position the ID at the back and then take a photo of it. Are you okay? Okay, now they said not detected because my ID is not legitimate, so I will expect that once you get to that stage, you use the right documents and make sure that you get everything captured. Now, once you are done with the confirmation of your ID, your account will be fully ready for use, and you'll be able to do transactions and send money, withdraw, and be able to buy crypto on the app. Thank you for watching this video. If the video was helpful to you, click the subscribe button, like the video, and see you again in the next video. Thank you.